Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd. Excuse me. Um, we are out here in Marietta, East Cobb. This is a new client, Scott. He's moving into this home. Found me online, watched plenty of my videos. I never came out here and did a consultation. He booked on the spot, just based off pictures. So we got close to 1,000 square feet. Screen Recoat UV Cure, 350 a square foot. This is a pre-finished floor. Beautiful floor, by the way. Also, Tavares is back. He's just organizing the truck. That's what he does. He like to keep the truck organized. And got to go look at got an in-home consultation in Dunwoody. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys. Second day of fall. Nice, calm day today in Marietta. So these are the floors that we're doing. These are pre-finished floors, no major damage. Got a little few gouges here and there. This is a floor that most sanders do not like sanding because it is pre-finished. Takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, and a lot of sandpaper to get this pre-finished off. Floors are just, again, guys, the floors are not bad. Just kind of zoom in and show you. Moving in, you can just see how the floors are just kind of worn. They just need some little TLC. So what we're doing, I already done, also want to screen and recoat these pine stairs. So I've already screened and recoated the upstairs, not that finished down, so we can prep it for new finish. So, and then also the masters. All right, so this, and then let me go ahead and unplug this. And also the laundry room, which I screen and recoated. Had a few good inquiries this morning on the way here for screen and recoating. And one is actually a cabin in Blue Ridge. So they want to send me some pictures later on today. So we're going to be doing this dining room, this kitchen around the island. Okay. And this living room. So again, kind of zoom in. See all that wear? It's just the finish is kind of wearing off. So great candidate for a screen and recoat. All right, guys, go ahead and get back to it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, as you can see, we got a great screen on this floor. Now Tavares is about to clean and tack. They're gonna get the coating down. Then we're gonna go off and have some lunch. T, you about to clean and tack it? You about to clean and tack it? All right. So yeah, he's about to clean and tack it. Just making sure. Just putting another consultation for tomorrow. She's in Beaufort, and I also have another consultation in Beaufort tomorrow morning before we go do our initial job, which is in Lawrenceville. So we'll be local tomorrow. And again, guys, I will be off Thursday through Sunday and be back at it Monday. So far, we have 3 projects next week. And October usually turns out to be a great month because we're going into the holidays. All right, guys. Got the coating going down. Looking good. All right, guys, floors look great. Came out, man, just satin finish rag coat. All right, guys, time for the UV curing process. That will probably take about 30 minutes. Nice, nice, nice. The one thing that my client told me that I hear a lot, he said, yeah, Courtney, convenience, man. We're moving in this weekend, and this was the perfect option for us, so we can get moved in. All right, guys, go ahead and go upstairs. UV cure. Okay. All right, guys, we are done. Scott is very happy with the services. That's one thing about the UV. Take your shoes off, you can see how protected the floors are. We also threw in these stairs, like 6 stairs. All righty. All right, guys, I just picked up another consultation in Sandy Springs off of Roswell Road. He said the same thing like a lot of my clients. He said, yeah, I saw your videos and I want to get my floors done. So I'm going to go ahead and go do an in-home consultation before we head in. And also, I booked a countertop job. A guy reached out 2 weeks ago. I gave him a price. He said he'll think about it, and he just texted me and said, when can I get on the schedule? So I got him down for next Friday in Brookhaven, kitchen countertops. All right, guys, go ahead and wrap up with my client, Scott. And thank you guys again for watching. Beautiful floors, nice satin finish, good protection. It's all it needed. All right, guys, see you in the next one.